Hayden Homes. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of you guys coming out and supporting the community. We are thrilled to be back in Dallas and be building new homes here. I'm going to pass it off to our regional director, Brett, now.
Hi, I'm Brett Swanson. I'm the regional director here for Hayden Homes in Oregon. And again, like Chelsea said, thank you all for coming out. We're excited to be back here in Dallas. It's been a couple years since we've been here. We've done over 50 homes currently in this community and are excited to get started on another 17 here in this current phase. We've got our nonprofit that we partner with, First Story, that is a big part of our company and being able to get some people in housing that might not otherwise qualify. And we actually have one of our First Story recipients here in this community, so it's great to be back here and have that opportunity to do something like that again. And again, thank you. We're excited to be partnered with the Chamber and the HBA for Marion and Polk County, and just excited to get going here. We're itching to get going. This hasn't quite recorded yet, but we should be any time now. So with that, I'd like to bring Mike up from the Marion Polk HBA, and he was going to say a word or two.
Thank you, appreciate it. Take my glasses off, turn it around this way, I'm not looking into the sun. So, gosh, we're excited that Hayden Homes is back in Dallas, and it is just great to see. And I think we all know that we've got a tremendous housing shortage in Oregon and in the region, and really it's that shortage of housing that's driving prices up. And so this type of project here in Dallas, you know, at this price point that families can afford, is exactly what we need to see. We need to see more of this if we're going to get our way through the crisis. So kudos to Hayden Homes for building here in Dallas and building the type of product that people can afford. And it's great to see because it's not just the impact on housing affordability, it's the economy. You know, and every new home that gets built is the equivalent of a little more than 3 full-time jobs. And so 17 new homes here in Dallas, that's, 60 full-time construction jobs for the folks building these homes. And of course the folks move in, and that money continues to ripple through the economy as folks spend money in restaurants and stores and all of that. So it benefits the community. And as Brett kind of touched on, it's great to see with Hayden Homes and their commitment to the community as well, and their First Story charity. In fact, I was involved, invited to help with the selection of that candidate when they did that 3 years ago. And so with them taking proceeds from the sale of every one of the homes they sell and putting it back towards that charity to get folks into homes and to achieve home ownership that they likely wouldn't be able to achieve without that support, is just so exciting to see. And it speaks to Hayden Homes' commitment to the community. So we're so appreciative of that. And I actually bought my first home here in Dallas a number of years ago, and so I know what a great community this is. And so it's exciting to see Hayden Homes be back and exciting to be here for the groundbreaking. So thank you. Appreciate what you guys are doing.
Thank you very much.
All right, well, we are very excited, and we are so glad to have Hayden Homes back in Dallas and doing their fabulous work.